We are presenting today a simple but a very healthy dish for
Oats.
all ages.
Oats.
These are the ingredients:
For breakfast.
almonds, black raisin, brown raisin, pistachio, walnuts. The main ingredient is oats, white oats. Also we will add dried fruits, fruit mix. And fresh milk. Crush nuts with a flat, heavy knife, and if it cannot be crushed, try to chop it. So these are the crushed and chopped nuts.
You like
Add crushed nuts into boiling water in a saucepan.
why we do like this? Because this is more fresh. Then there are some oats with
This process will make them mild and softer so that the young children or the very old people can consume it easily.
this kind of thing.
Now add oats. The nuts have been boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes. When you add oats, reduce the temperature. Mix oats to avoid any lumps of oats
See, like
remain.
you put the milk, huh? Put the milk.
Now add
Milk.
fresh milk.
Yeah.
You can use any other milks or like
See, little liquid like this, huh?
Like-
So then put a little more. Okay.
packeted long lasting milk or milk powder, milk made with milk powder, but we always use fresh milk. If you find the dish is more liquidy, add more oats. That will make the dish thicker. Let it boil for some time, or rather let milk come to a boiling point, and then the oats will be ready for consumption. When the milk is boiling, add
Ready.
dried fruits.
Not fruits. 也是 oats with
This is a mixture of peanuts, dried fruits,
Yeah.
and some other exotic fruits such as berries.
Like this.
Now it's boiling, but make sure to reduce the temperature, otherwise milk will spill it off. Always keep an eye if you maintain higher temperatures.
Now finish.
The dish is ready. It's very healthy and soft with lots of minerals and nourishment.